Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Chief Meteorologist Bob Shaw.
Good Monday morning, 22 minutes before the hour on a morning that is actually fairly slick for a different reason than we saw over the weekend. We had some slippery conditions this weekend because of some precipitation that fell and froze. Well, we still have the remnants of that, but this morning we're adding some heavy frost to that, and that's going to make our roads a little bit on the slick side. So clear the windows and be aware of the fact that things could be a little slippery. It doesn't look like it in many areas like Highway 20 and Sisters, but it has a way of sneaking up on you. In the mountains, carry chains or traction tires, watch for spots of ice on all of the mountain roads, and watch for a little bit of fog as well. We've seen a little bit at Santiam Pass this morning. Not much by way of fog on Century Drive, but the road to Mount Bachelor has some spots of ice on it. So does Willamette Pass, and the fog there has lifted. It was very dense earlier this morning. Major storms on the East Coast, the rest of the nation looking pretty good except for Puget Sound. We are looking at some storm activity pushing into western Washington. We might see the northwestern corner of our state get a little bit of that. Central Oregon, we've already seen a few clouds push into our area. It looks like we'll stay dry over the next couple of days, but the cloud cover will be a little bit on the variable side. Here's how our future track model has us building in. We'll spend the morning very clear. That'll help us stay a little bit on the cool side, and then we'll start to warm and push a few clouds in. By dinner time, we'll be under mostly clear to partly cloudy skies, and we'll stay mostly cloudy overnight tonight. Doesn't look like there's going to be any showers that'll be embedded in this. In fact, this will break up early tomorrow morning, and we'll get some more sunshine on Tuesday. Now, as we get into Tuesday night, that is when this thing is going to build in, and by Wednesday morning, we'll have a chance of seeing some scattered showers pushing through our area. With overnight lows down below freezing, once again, don't be surprised if some of this doesn't come in the form of snow. So it's going to be a kind of a variable cloud cover and come and go scattered showers for a few days after that. Yesterday, we hit 46 at both of our airports. We're likely to be a little bit warmer than that. Certainly warmer than that now, with the exception of the upper elevation. Sisters has been at 18 degrees, and La Pine had a brief foray into the teens this morning as well. Winds are not too bad right now. We'll see them out of the southeast and the south through the afternoon, 5 to 15 miles an hour. Some areas might gust a little bit higher than that. Looking at highs today that'll be scattered through the 40s. Overnight lows tonight will be scattered through mid-20s to low 30s. It looks like we'll all be down to and below freezing overnight. Warmer even tomorrow. Now, when that storm activity starts, it'll be just a slight chance of it being scattered through our area, but temperatures are going to stay fairly mild during the day. Overnight lows are going to consistently get down below freezing.